If you are trying to build a pipeline in 2025, one of the highest leverage plays is targeting accounts that are already using your competitors' technology. In this video, I will show you how using LLM and public data sources uncover a much wider net of competitors' users so your outbound team never leaves revenue on the table. Before we jump into the solution, here are some of the common problems we see. So you enrich your database using standard text signals. For example, filter for WordPress and you will get a list of companies already tagged. That's useful, but here is the issue. These data sets are static and incomplete. You end up with maybe 500 accounts when the real number is much higher. Most teams struggle because tech data is either outdated or limited. In short, you never really know which accounts are actually using your competitors' tools today. And this is where expanding the data scope becomes critical. Now, let's talk about what that expansion looks like in practice. So, a workflow with OpenAI Gemini inbuilt expands the range by layering secondary intent signals. Instead of stopping at the tech stack, we pull in a richer data. Job listings mentioning competitors, new hires, skills required, and news mentions such as case studies, customer spotlights. And here is how a custom AI workflow can be built that doesn't just wait for enrichment data, they actively research accounts in real time. For example, web scans plus public mentions. The custom AI workflow looks across the web to verify if a company is likely or confirmed to be using competitor. I'm also going to show you how Gloridius customer use agents to deploy this workflow. Note you can use Zapier, N8N, or other open source tools to build in-house. I will list down the examples in show notes, but the process remains the same. Let's take an example. So you want to find which of your competitors are using WordPress or Contentful. So this is the workflow and the agent's responsibility is to scan through the job post and find which of the competitors are using WordPress or Contentful. So the step one is the agent searches across the web to check if a company mentions WordPress or Contentful. After the search, the results are fed to an LLM, such as OpenAI or Gemini. Then, in step two, it asks the LLM to verify in yes or no if those technologies appear in the search results or not. And based on that, it gives you a trigger or signal. So the agent can scan through multiple job sources and websites, and that's just one use case. You can extend the same logic to find accounts using your competitors' CRM and analytics tools or other solutions. The possibilities go far beyond just tech stack. So anywhere there is public data, this AI-based workflow can surface intent. Instead of static signals, you now have dynamic AI verified insights layered on top of your CRM. Then we can apply AI filters. The account universe grows to highly targeted matches. This is what an AI workflow look like in action. If you want the exact query or prompts we used, grab the query and prompt library link from the show notes. It's free to download. But if you want to see how teams run this at scale, join our live workshop next Thursday. We will walk through the agent, set up and enrich accounts live. It will be a hands on session.